just ask, how often do you get to mid-morning and you find yourself tired, hungry, maybe craving something a little bit sweet? Because that used to be me until I realized it was a little bit like getting dressed in the wrong outfit. Hi lovely friends, and a big welcome back to my channel and to my kitchen. So you may remember that at the beginning of the year I talked about wanting to focus not just on looking the very best version of yourself, but also to feeling it. You know, feeling good on the inside supports how confident we feel on the outside. And just like what we wear, what we eat has a huge impact on how we feel. So today I'm sharing in my kitchen my simple feel-good breakfast bowl, the one that I come back to again and again most mornings when I want energy that lasts all day long. Now, I'm not going to be talking about dieting or cutting things out or being good. What I'm going to be talking about is adding in what helps us to feel nourished, satisfied, vibrant, especially in midlife and beyond, creating joy with our food. So this bowl is built around a balance of protein, carbohydrates, healthy fats, seeds, and my favorite ingredient of all, a little sprinkle of joy. Lots of color, texture, and foods that genuinely make you feel good and that are delicious and that look good when you eat them. So I'm going to make this with you, talk through what I add and why, and hopefully inspire you to create your own version that makes you feel good too. So the base of the breakfast bowl is going to be porridge, but what I'm going to show you now is the toppings that I'm going to put on that. And first of all, we're going to take an orange. Now the thing to do with an orange, of course, is to make sure that you take off all the peel and all the pith. So actually you're just left with an orange. And then you do the orange into quite big fat slices because you want the orange to hold together. Then take a pan, put some honey, cinnamon, just let it melt a little bit. And what you're going to do is char the orange slices in the honey and the cinnamon. And now they're pretty charred. They've also broken up a little bit, but I'm going to put them on a plate here. So now I'm using these frozen raspberries. I'm just going to lightly sort of mush up in the same honey and cinnamon that I put the oranges in, and they're going to turn into a sort of jam. Now what we've got is our char grilled orange, our jam version of the raspberries and blueberries. And now at this point I'm going to take the porridge. I'm going to add just a few chia seeds, which I'm going to sprinkle. They have no flavour, but they're incredibly good for us. And then I'm going to add, on one side, I'm going to add the orange, now the raspberry jam, some blueberries, and finally a spoonful of yogurt. And there you have it. And what you get at the end of it is a delicious tasting, gorgeous looking mixed colour of lots and lots of goodness. You've got the protein, you've got the carbohydrates, you've got all the lovely fruits, and all you have to do is enjoy it. So I really hope you've enjoyed this, ladies. More style videos and more food videos coming up. Now I'd really love your views on what you thought of this, and if you'd like to see more of them. Feel good food that you can really enjoy, not feel guilty eating. Lots of love, and see you really, really soon. And if you want the recipe, click on the link below and I'll send it straight to your inbox.